Hi y'all, welcome to today's video. Welcome to my Chanel. You know what time it is? Well, it's Cut the Crap Organics Lips and Lather time. We're gonna unbox this bad boy and we're gonna see what Krista has in store for us this month. On this channel, we create beauty one palette at a time. Today, we're gonna unbox it. Grab your drinks and grab your snacks. Let's get into it. Okay, Cut the Crap Organics is a monthly subscription. This is a deluxe box. I do have a code with Cut the Crap Organics, Lips and Lather, and it's not affiliated. It's just like for you to use to get 10% off your first box. And girl, let me tell you how worth it it's gonna be. I've been getting this box for about 2 years, worth every penny. So let's dive right on in. So this is how it comes. Everything is packaged on the inside. It's kind of like I Spy. And it always comes with a story. You will always get a card. I will leave the link down below. Okay, it starts out saying, it is that wonderful time of the year where the fresh strawberries may be found at the roadside markets and you pick farms. Have you tried a freshly picked strawberry? Store-bought ones just can't compare. Strawberry rhubarb soap. Y'all, I have not even dove into this box, and I will tell you my favorite pie of all time is strawberry rhubarb. Strawberry rhubarb soap. Okay, I think this, yep. Okay, strawberry rhubarb soap. Here's the back of it. And shocking, you can actually read the ingredients. I say that every month. Strawberry rhubarb soap features soapy strawberries under the lattice crust. Oh my gosh. And a juicy strawberry, tart rhubarb, and sweet vanilla scent. Strawberry daiquiri. Here is the lip balm. Strawberry daiquiri lip balm moisturizes your lips while bringing a fun, fruity fusion of ripe strawberries and zesty lime with a dash of caramelized rum. Just kidding, but dang. Oh, this smells amazing. Included in the deluxe box is the strawberry cleansing milk, which is this. A gentle, creamy facial cleanser that contains skin brightening strawberry extract. I like the red. Wow. Y'all, that smells like strawberries. Okay, you could definitely read the ingredients on this. Helpful. Strawberry shortcake foaming bath whip. Strawberry shortcake foaming bath whip is a pillowy body wash that contains bits of salt for the gentle exfoliation. It will leave you smelling sweetly of strawberries and buttery vanilla. Oh, that smells amazing. And it is whipped. I'm not like you can see in here, but this is better. It almost acts as a consistency of like thick lotion, but not quite. Wild strawberry bath bomb. Does it look like a strawberry? Why, yes. And guess what? Can you read the back of it? Why, yes, you can. Wild strawberry bath bomb is a fragrant way to enjoy a relaxing soak after a long day. Every month that she sends these boxes, I get so excited to take a bath. Like just sit and soak and read and oh, it's fabulous. Okay. Lightweight summer hydration is just a spritz away with strawberries and cream facial mist, which is this gem. I'm going to be honest with you. I am digging this packaging. This spray gets its beautiful juicy fragrance from strawberry hydrosol, which is a brightening soothing, while vanilla hydrosol adds as a creamy note and boosts skin calming properties. Okay, okay. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. Last in this month's box is Strawberry Jam Lip Scrub, which will leave your lips feeling soft and smooth. Gently buff this product on your lips and wipe off with a damp cloth. Okay, so here, it's like in a little slider thing. So this is the top and this is the bottom. And this is 10 Here's the inside. Y'all, it smells like strawberry jelly. Dang, Krista! I hope this box inspires you to find a local farm or market that sells delicious fresh berries. You won't be sorry to get your hands on these delicious seasonal treats. I am so, like, let me touch this. Ooh, okay, so on my finger, it has a tint to it. So when you go across the hand, ooh, it's not too rough. This is not going to be the color that goes across your lips. Y'all, this is fabulous. It smells delightful. Y'all, that is May of 2025. Cut the Crap Lips and Lather. If you have a teen that doesn't wear makeup, this is the box for you. This right here. It's not makeup. Lip oils and lip balms and soap and girl, perfect for a teen or perfect for a child under 12 that shouldn't be wearing makeup anyway. But this box is perfect for them. Perfect. So I'm going to leave the link down below. Like I said, I do have a code. It is FashFab. It only takes 10% off of the box, of your first box, I should say. And y'all, the stuff that you're getting in this, wow, this is crazy. And this is one of my favorite subscriptions ever. Anywhoosies, y'all, like, subscribe, share, click that notification bell down there. It should let you know next time I upload. I hope you guys are having an awesome, amazing day. Go out and do something kind for somebody. Say hello. Call a friend. Maybe they just needed to hear your voice. It's been a while. Anywhoosies, Sally and I will see you in our next video.